Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the device supports a cable card and that Siti has activated your subscription. This ensures the card will authenticate. Power down and unplug the TV or set-top, then remove any rear cover to access the tuner bay. Open anti-static packaging and hold the Siti cable card by its edges. Do not touch the gold contacts, because oils can prevent electrical contact. Once everything is ready, position the card so the gold fingers face the connector and align the notch with the slot guide. You now insert the Siti cable card with steady pressure, aligning the notch and gold contacts to the slot. Slide it straight in, do not twist, because misalignment can bend pins or block contact. Push until you feel a soft click or the card sits flush against the connector. Many tuners have a small retaining tab that clicks into place. Once the card is seated, reattach the cover, plug the device back in, and wait 1 to 2 minutes for the system to detect the card and begin authorization. Finish by navigating the device menu to run a channel scan or the cable card activation routine. This step triggers the Siti system to authorize channels. If channels don't appear, power cycle the device. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then on, and reseat the card to ensure firm contact, because loose seating is the most common issue. If problems persist, note the device model, host ID, and the card serial number, and contact Siti support so they can resend provisioning and resolve authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.